Hello, welcome back to Nicole Chinese Mandarin. In this video, we will continue to explore HSK 3, Lesson 7. If you are looking to practice your Chinese conversation skills, you can join my Chinese Conversation Bootcamp. We will spend 2 days working on everyday dialogues and focus especially on greetings and small talk in Chinese. Alright, let's get back to today's vocabulary. The title of Lesson 7 is 我跟他都认识5年了 which call back a grammar point of HSK 2. 都 something 了我跟他都认识5年了 with 都 and 了 indicate I think 5 years is a really long time. On the opposite, you can switch 都 了 to 才 which indicate the people who is speaking think 5 years is quite short. 我跟他才认识5年 Okay, let's dive in this lesson's vocabularies. We've got 12 vocabularies and 3 grammar points. And these 3 grammar points are all related to the vocabularies. So I will mention them together with related vocabularies. First one, 同事 同事 colleague. You might remember we learned another 同 related vocabulary before. 同学 classmate. 同 itself has a meaning of same. 是 things, which means you with someone do the same thing together. 同学 you with someone learn something together. So 同学 together learn. 同事 do business together. Colleague. Other examples. 同路 same road, so going on the same way. 同行 same industry, you and another people work in same industry. An example, this dialogue will happen with you and your colleague after work. 你去地铁站吗？是啊，我们同路，一起走吧。Another example about 同行。我和我的老公是同行，我们都在金融行业。行业 industry. When this character pronounced as 行 is also an old usage that refers to institutions, shops. And this vocabulary, 银行, originally 银 means silver, so silver shops. And we also learned another pronunciation of this character, which is 行 means okay, alright. 今天天气怎么样？还行 It's alright. 以前 before, in the past. 前 means in front of you. 以前 before. So we also have 以后 afterward, in the future. 以前以后星期五以前 before Friday. Or 星期五以后 after Friday. 15岁以前圣诞节以前1个月以前 a month ago. This is a period of time. 1个星期以前1年以前 I mentioned about the period of time. Let's see more examples. This is also one of the grammar points of today. Some of the time related, we have measure words. 月星期小时 they all have measure word 个2个月 2 months 2个星期2个小时 and half of this 半个月半个星期半个小时 Another time related character, they don't have measure word 年天分钟2年2天2分钟 and half of them 半年半天半分钟 When we indicate last month, next month, we also will use this measure word 上个月这个月下个月上个星期这个星期下个星期 they all have measure word 去年 今年、明年，昨天、今天、明天。No measure words. They use 去 or 明 or 今 to indicate last, next, this. 久 another time-related character. It means quite a long time. In the beginning of many stories, we will say long, long time ago. That will be 很久很久以前。很久 itself means a long time. 不久 short time, not long. 你学中文多长时间了？ This is what we learned in HSK2 Lesson 4. This 多长时间 you also can switch to 多久 how long. 长 also means long. But 长 apart from time, we also can indicate our hair, long hair. But 久 as a meaning of long only can indicate time-related meanings. 感兴趣 be interested in something. This will also be another grammar point. 对 something 感兴趣 This is a structure for using be interested to something. After 对 there will be something. 对 something 感兴趣 or 对 some people 感兴趣。Negative form 对 something 不感兴趣。Negative form 不 or before 感兴趣。我对历史特别感兴趣。我对设计工作一直都很感兴趣。我的中国朋友对中国文化非常感兴趣。我对这本书的内容不太感兴趣。结婚 marry, some related forms. 结婚了 married. 没结婚 didn't happen. 已婚 when we describe people 已婚未婚 are married. 和 someone 结婚 marry with some people. 结婚戒指戒指 ring 结婚戒指 wedding ring. 婚 itself means marriage. It's a noun, marriage. 结 has a meaning of connection or getting together, tie something together. So imagine you're tying two people together. 婚礼 wedding. 求婚 proposal. And dialogue. 你们什么时候结婚啊？不知道呢，他还没求婚。我想11月20号办婚礼。办 the verb for 婚礼。Hold the wedding. 因为那天也是我爸爸妈妈结婚30周年纪念日。纪念日 anniversary. 欢迎 welcome. 欢迎 generally in Chinese culture, we wouldn't say 欢迎 in speaking directly. But it's really common to hear 欢迎光临 when you get into restaurant, shopping malls. We generally wouldn't say welcome to visit my house. We prefer to use our action to show our welcome. 迟到 verb to be late. Late as adjective, that would be 晚 late. 我今天起晚了。我今天迟到了。电视小点声，已经很晚了。他总是迟到。To be late. 接 pick up from school, from office. 送 send someone to somewhere. 接孩子放学 pick kids off school, so pick up the child from school. 送孩子上学 send kids go to school, so send the child to school. 放学上学 they are all verbs. 我妈妈每天都开车送我上学。我老公今天要来接我下班，然后我们一起去看电影。我老婆今天从北京出差回来，我要去机场接她。办 刻、差 they are all related time. Let's check them out together. 半 half 2点半，刻 quarter 2点1刻。In Chinese, we only have 1刻 we don't have 2刻、3刻。Like this one, 7:45. You can say 差1刻8点。But this one not that common. We would prefer just say 7点45 directly. 8点55. Or you also can say 差5分钟9点。Also, we prefer to say 8点55 directly. Another way to say these two times, we can say 快9点了 almost. 刚9点 just 9 o'clock. This 快 and 刚 we also can use to say our age. 快30岁了，刚30岁。And we mentioned before, 小时 and 天, some of them have measure words. And if we want to describe 1.5, that would be 1个半小时, 1个半月. These have measure words. No measure words, 1年半, 1天半, 半 at the end. 差点儿 almost. Generally, we use 差点儿 before verb, and we will also to use 就 to link, to almost do something. 他差点就进球了。你差点就撞到前面的车了，太危险了。A dialogue. 我在攒钱买 iPhone 16，还差多少钱？还差500块。Okay, this is all of today's 12 vocabularies and grammar points. If you want to practice your Chinese conversation for daily, don't forget to join my Chinese conversation bootcamp. I'm looking forward to see you in person. Okay, I will see you in next video soon. Bye bye.